Hi guys, we're in Sainsbury's again. Today we're going to be looking at some of the hoovers. I know you guys like the hoovers, don't you? Yeah, I know. I get a lot of views for hoovers, so I'm going to bring you some of the prices in Sainsbury's. This is July the 3rd, 2020, so prices may go up, or may fall, or may go down. Right, so this is the Bush multi-cyclone bagless cylinder. Again guys, you can see the prices if you subscribe to my channel. I get regular videos like this. What you can do is you can check the prices out in store and then go online and see if you can get them cheaper. Alright, is it worth coming down and loading up your car? Is it worth the hassle? Can you avoid it all, especially with COVID? So that was 60 for the Bush. So you've got the Vax now, which is good for pets. That's up for 70. I know all these will be made in China. That's the Pickup Pet, that one, for 70. Also you've got Vax microfiber cleaning pads, that's 4. And the Vax detergent, which is not cheap. And the Stain Shot, which is 4. Which brings me over to the Bush, which is a handheld hoover. That's 35 quid, but that's a wet and dry, that. And that one is 11.4 volts. Then we've got the Hoover Whirlwind. I think I did a video of this. They have it in B&M stores and they have it at Tesco's as well. But that one's at 60. That's a compact size. Right. So now we're down to hands-free, 130. This is the Hoover H100, up for 130 today. 22 volt battery, that's the capacity, 2 and on. 5-minute and then 25 minutes. We've got this one as well, that's out of stock. And that's the corded stick Bush. Right. And that one is the 100, which is the Vax Alpha Lightweight. That's just a standard hoover, and then of course the Vax Steam Cleans at 50.